What is up, my shred heads?
Welcome back to the channel. On today's video,
I'm finally going to be learning how to ride an e-bike. Woohoo!
Before we get started on this video, if you guys do want to support the channel, check out that link down below for Zooz. Use code Shreddie220, save $150 off your order. If Zooz isn't for you, check out all those other links down below. There might be a bike you like. This is gonna be her very first time ever riding this Zooz and ever riding an e-bike with throttle, right, Dee?
And like an electric BMX motorbike type of bike, yes.
So she has ridden other bikes like the Townie with pedal assist and everything.
Like a beach cruiser electric bike, but never something like cool, sporty like this. This is also a great bike for shorter people. Like I'm only 5'2", so a lot of his like electric motorbikes are too high for me and too tall, so I can't fit on them. So this is like awesome, but I also did get some Converse like platform high top shoes just so I can touch the ground easier.
Yeah, so we'll see if that actually helps out.
I like touching the ground.
The first thing we're gonna do is teach Dee how to turn on and off the bike. So Dee, if you come around on this side, you do have a little battery switch right here. So this is a Zooz Ultra Urban 750 watt geared hub motor. Here's your on button. So click it on right here. All right, now you're gonna go up here to the display, and this is your power button. Hold that. And now the bike is on. Yep, now the bike is on, as you can see. So if you want to start off with pedal assist, right now it's on 0. So when you pedal, there's not gonna be any power. You press the up arrow and it'll get you to pedal assist 1.
Okay, so I shouldn't press that until I'm riding though, right?
I mean, you can have the pedal assist on if you want. So that's the down arrow. You wanna go up. There you go, up.
Beginner.
Hit hard.
I did, it went to 1.
Okay, that's perfect. So just so you know, the throttle is always going to be on at all times. So just be mindful of the throttle when you're stopped, or if anybody else is coming up next to you on their bike, or somebody that wants to grab your handlebar ends up hitting your throttle by accident. Just always be mindful of that.
So I shouldn't touch the throttle until I'm used to riding the bike?
Exactly. Or don't let anybody else touch the throttle when you're on the bike. But what you can also do is these brakes, they have a brake cutoff sensor. So anytime that the brakes are pressed, the throttle isn't going to work. So you can always practice when you're stopped, just holding the brakes. That way you never accidentally hit the throttle. Or if you have some crazy mishap happen where the throttle gets stuck, you can actually grab the brake and it'll cut the throttle again.
Oh, that's good.
Always be mindful of that.
So which brake should I hold? Because I know you're always saying
I like switching the brakes on some of my bikes. Yeah. So this is going to be your rear. This is going to be your front brake. So in motorcycle school, they taught me 60-40. So 60 on the front brake, 40 on the rear brake. But sometimes people even say like do it evenly, but try to always use both brakes. And
I usually cover this one, but is that the front?
This is your front brake.
Okay, so I don't want to
try to always use both brakes evenly if it makes it easier. But normally you do want to grab a little bit more since your front wheel is going to do most of the stopping for you on the bike. Okay. All right, you want to get started on round 1. So round 1, it's going to be pedal assist 1. We'll go through a few different pedal assists. Yeah. If you start getting comfortable, then maybe you can start touching the throttle. And just so you guys know, the Zooz Ultra Urban 750 is a little torquey beast. So her first time, the throttle is going to be a little different. So I'm going to let her try the 1100 also. So I do have the 1100 where the throttle isn't as torquey, because we do have a direct drive hub motor as opposed to the 750 here where we have a geared hub motor where it has a little more torque on the low end. But I'm going to have more speed on this one. So we'll let her try both and see which one she actually feels more comfortable on, because I may end up taking the 750 and give her the 1100. So
hopefully I don't do a wheelie when I start out.
All right, so you ready?
Yes, let me get my helmet on.
Let's do this. All right, so this is on pedal assist 1, Dee. So you're gonna feel it kick in after maybe like a half a pedal.
Whoa, yeah.
Let's make a left.
Woo!
Yeah, make a left here.
You do a big traffic loss, so that was a stop sign.
Hey, bikes in Delaware, bikes can yield through stop signs. Yep. I just found out.
As of 2017.
So pedal assist 1 definitely goes like pretty fast. It's cruising. Really
fast? So
I mean like faster than like a regular like beach cruiser bike.
So what you can do is just pedal a little bit, let it coast, pedal a little bit on pedal assist.
No, it feels good. Okay, ready? Pedal assist 2.
There we go. How's that feel?
Similar to 1. I actually like it. Woo!
Pedal assist 2, I think that's around like 15 or something. And just always pay attention
I'm doing 15 miles an hour.
Always pay attention to where you're riding.
All right, pedal assist 3?
Yeah.
Here we go. Yeah, this one's definitely faster. Whoa.
Oh, that's fast, huh?
Yeah. And that's like 18 miles an hour.
So that's probably gonna feel like the throttle when you like kind of press it on that pedal assist 3. Do you want to try throttle? When you hit this throttle on the 750, just hit it very lightly and hold on like nice and tight.
Why? Does it go
Make a
really
left.
fast?
Yeah.
No, it just has some torque.
So you're gonna feel a little bit of torque when you hit the throttle.
Like a lot of torque?
Just,
all right, ready?
You got it.
1,
we have
2,
faith.
3.
You gotta push
Be nice and easy on it.
Oh, okay.
You have
Oh, shit.
yeah, you have full
There we
control
go.
over the throttle.
Whoa.
So you feel that little torque on it?
Yeah.
That's why I think for D, the 1100 would be a lot better since this one isn't as torquey. That one just like, it kind of pulls you back, right?
I mean, to be honest though, I like pedal assist because
You
I
like the pedal assist?
Pedaling, and I like controlling like how fast I'm going.
And like anything, she'll get used to it and learn how to do it over time. Not bad, got D on a Zooz finally. Yeah. Do you want to try this bike to see the difference?
Sure.
I'm on a 750 now, so we got D on the 1100. We're gonna see what she thinks about that compared to the 750's power and if it's a little more smooth for her. So
So this bike is heavier than the 750, right? Like the 750 is more lightweight?
Not by much. That motor is a little bit bigger and the battery is a little bit bigger, but it's not heavy by too much.
Okay.
It shouldn't be that noticeable, to tell you the truth.
Yeah, this one's definitely slower. Okay, I'm trying the throttle.
Yep. There you go.
Oh yeah. This throttle definitely isn't like as fast, like, yeah, the 1100 that I'm on definitely isn't as fast. Like this is more just like chill, where the 750 I was on before was definitely like jumpy and a lot of torque.
Yeah, so I feel like this one's gonna be more for like skate parks and stuff like that, ripping around.
I like this one too. Yeah, this throttle, like, yeah, is just more chill.
So guys, I think I get to keep the 750. Let's go!
But I'm taking my pink handlebars and pedals.
You can definitely have the pink handlebars and pedals back. Do you think you could ride this on group rides with us?
Yeah, definitely.
I did hear through the grapevine that they're gonna be coming out with some new Zooz colors. No clue what they are, but hopefully there's some cool colors out there.
So I definitely think like, I don't know, this pedal assist is a lot less torquey, so it is like more relaxing if you don't want as fast of an e-bike. Like that one's definitely faster. This one's more chill.
This one's faster in the low end with torque, but the top speed of this one is 27 as opposed to 33 on this one. But she thinks the control of the throttle and the pedal assist is a lot smoother on that one with it being less torquey. So the 1100 is gonna be for D, I think.
Yeah, that one's faster. This one more chill.
This one's meant for ripping and that one's meant for
cruising.
There you go.
Woo! Woo!
DD's riding through the grass. Every time D sees grass, D rides through the grass. I'm so glad you like that one more because I like this one more.
Yeah, this one's more
it
chill.
Worked out good in the end. Guys, comment down below. Let me know which one of these two bikes you like the most, or which one do you think is for you? Are you 5'2", or are you like me, almost 6 foot tall? Do you want torque or do you want more high-end speed and a little more smoothness? Okay, D, so after trying both of these bikes out, what are your thoughts on both of them and which one do you like the most?
So I think this 1100 Zooz is better for beginners, which is me. So maybe we'll take all the hot pink, put it on the 1100. I'll start with that one. And then when I like work my way up to being more confident riding the electric like faster bikes, I'll switch to this and be ripping up some hills like you guys.
I still think with your lightweight, like what do you like, 90 pounds soaking wet?
Yeah.
This bike can pull you up the same hills I think this bike can also. I'm hoping that she just really falls in love with this bike and lets me keep this one for the full time, because for me, I think I'm having a lot more fun on this one because it's way easier to pop wheelies, way easier to get me up to speed, easier to pull me up hills, a lot more fun and lightweight to bunny hop on the back and jump curbs. It's just a lot lightweight, fun, and nimble. That's what I love about the 750. The 1100, I think if I were maybe to go on like longer trips where I want to go faster, that would be the bike for me, but 750 for me all the way. I'm taking this. As long as it's okay.
Sure.
Okay. All right, guys, so that's gonna be the end of that video. If you guys did enjoy that content, please definitely don't forget to drop a like. And as always, if you do want to support the channel, please check out all those links down below. Check out that link down for Zooz. Use code Shreddie220, save $150 off your order. If Zooz isn't for you, check out all those other links down below. There might be a bike you like. As always, if you guys enjoyed the content, please consider subscribing,
hitting that like button,
and ringing that notification to be notified when I'm making videos. And are you guys ready for the moment of silence for the subscribe button? In 3, 2, 1, hit subscribe, heads down. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next Zooz ride.
Smash that sub button, guys. Smash it, smash it, smash it.